Hi guys, I've been using this folding wagon for a bit now, and honestly it's one of those things you don't realize you need until you have it. It opens up in seconds. No setup, no tools, just pull it up and it's ready to go. The size is great, you can load a lot into it without feeling like it's cramped. Groceries, camping gear, beach stuff. It handles all this easily. What I really like are the walls. They're big and roll smoothly, even on grass or on ground, and the brakes actually work, which is clutch when you stop on slope. The handle feels solid and doesn't flop down when you let go. The fabric feels thick and durable, not that filmy stuff that rips after a few uses, and it folds back down small enough to toss in the trunk without taking over the whole space. Overall, it just makes hauling stuff way easier. And yeah, just be clear, this one's actually sent to me a gift.